Hello to my artist friends. Welcome to Maak Art Channel. Today we are going to draw a cute mermaid. Let's start drawing. Mermaids live in the ocean, under the water. They have beautiful long hair that flows in the water. They sometimes wear shiny shoes and pearls as jewelry. Mermaids have a tail like a fish to help them swim. They live in a special place deep under the sea. Mermaids can breathe underwater just like fish. Let's go coloring. Some mermaids sing beautiful songs in the ocean. Mermaids are very kind and love to help others. What a beautiful hair! They love play with sea creatures like dolphins and turtles. In stories, mermaids are magical and can talk to sea animals. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.